Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Edam. So today I'm going to show you how to install Linux CentOS operating system in Hyper-V. So here, just a minute. So here we can see we have a Cent operating system website. Okay. So from here we are going to download CentOS ISO file. So let me show you. So in Google, search for CentOS download. Click on it. So here we have 7 version and 8 version. So I selected CentOS 8. So you can select the ISO file here. So I clicked on the first link and select ISO file. So I selected the first file, which is 789 megabytes. So once you download it, open your Hyper-V. So create a new virtual machine. Give RAM. Give space. Select the media where you have downloaded. Now click on connect. Click on start. So use your arrows. So now once you select, it will show in white color. Click on enter. So it's starting the installation. It is checking all the settings. So here select the language. So by default, English language is selected. So click on continue. So we have to complete this. So here we give 30 GB space. So this is the root folder. So click on done. This is the network setup. You can configure the network settings here. So it connected the IP address. So click on done. So it's downloading the package. Once the package is downloaded, it will show the begin installation tab. Click on software selection. So you can select the options what you would like to install here. So here we are selecting graphical interface. So it will be easy for you to understand. It will be easy to use as well. So in case if you want only CMD, you can select this one. It is easy to manage server. So I'm selecting the first option. In the first option, I'm selecting what are the tools I need here. So tools used for building RPM such as RPM build. So in case if I'm installing any packages, so I need this. So if I want to share anything from Windows operating system, I will select this remote management to connect to Windows machine from Linux operating system. NAS storage. So in case if I'm sharing anything, these are the protocols which I need. So this is enough actually. Click on done. So here we have to configure the password as well for the root account. It's mandatory. Now done. So now we can see the begin installation option is highlighted. Now click on begin installation. Now it is creating all the files. So here I am installing CentOS, one of the Linux flavor. So in this CentOS operating system, we have graphical interface as well. So here you can see this is the Linux 8 CentOS version. So we will wait for some time. So it's completed only 38%. So here the installation is completed. Now we have to reboot the system. For the center. So here we have to accept the license agreement and click on done. Then you will see finish configuration. Click on it. So in case if you want to create a user, you can click there. But currently I'm not creating any users, so I will be using the root account. So click on next, location services. I'm turning it off, privacy settings. So I don't want to connect any account right now. I will click on skip. I'm entering my name. So currently I'm not connecting to any domain. So we will skip this part. Start using the Linux OS. So here we successfully installed CentOS Linux on the Hyper-V. Okay. So if you click on the activities, it is like a Windows start bar. You can find all the applications. Okay. Games, browser, utility settings, and settings. And this is a terminal window, which is also called as shell. Okay. In Windows, we call it as command prompt. So this is how you install CentOS operating system in Hyper-V. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in next class.